Hey guys, so we are here at Pop Century. We just parked, we're already checked in. So we are going to be here for a couple days with Katie's sister Amy. This was supposed to be our princess weekend, but RIP that, like many other things.
So now it's just a vacay.
Yep, so taking the trip. This is our first time actually staying on property since everything's reopened. So it'll be fun and exciting. Looks like we have a line here for the skyline.
Oh yeah.
So that'll be interesting.
To be expected.
But we have park pass reservations for Epcot today. But it's not open yet, so we're actually going to go over to Riviera and kind of explore a little bit because we haven't really been over there. So, line's way back here. We gotta get over to there. Should be pretty quick though, because it is continuous motion.
For your safety, please remain seated, supervise children, and refrain from smoking in the cabins. Thank you.
So we got off at Caribbean, which is the connector station for the Skyline. And you can see the station there. Over that way is where we came from Pop. And then the line for this is way out and around back there. So we're actually just gonna head towards the Riviera anyway. So we're gonna kind of meander around this Caribbean and make our way over towards Riviera. And then when it's time, we'll get on there to hop over to Epcot.
And enjoy the most magical flight on earth.
So we made it into Epcot now. We walked around Riviera for a little bit, kind of just wasted some time, and then got here right at 11. It's good timing. We just tried the brie, the bread and warm brie, and then the sparkling wine from the
pavilion in France.
Yep, because it's Festival of the Arts now. So now we're just gonna kind of walk around and I think eat and drink and have fun.
Yeah, we're kind of just waiting for my sister to get here.
Yeah. And then we'll be in Disney Springs this evening.
Yay!
So let's go. Gonna try something here in Vibrante and oh, got very loud. It's like Mary Blair. And it's also like South American flavored foods. Very cool. Alright, so we made our way around World Showcase. We had tried the lobster ravioli from the Italy booth, which was very good. We also had a Prosecco with that.
Yep.
And then we had
Pupusa.
blue corn pupusa. What was that booth?
The Vibrant and Vivato Food
Yeah.
Studio.
That was awesome. So it was like a soft corn shell.
Mm-hmm.
And then
Blue
it had,
corn, almost like a little like cake.
yeah.
It was thick.
Then it had pork and then some greens and
Cheese
yeah,
and coleslaw.
and coleslaw. It was very good. Probably my favorite thing we tried. Then we also had the tangerine wheat ale from the Citrus Blossom booth. That was very good.
Yes.
I forgot to take a picture of that, but
It looked like a beer.
yep. And it tasted kind of the way you would think it was gonna taste, which is pretty cool. It was very good. Very like light, refreshing beer. But now we made our way back to Pop. Our room is ready, so we're gonna go get our stuff out of the car.
We'll
Get the
move our
room.
car.
Yeah, move the car too. And get situated there. So I just did mobile order at the Everything Pop, which is the quick service here at Pop. And they're doing like mobile order only. And it was probably like the best experience I've had kind of going through Pop's quick service. Usually it's kind of crowded and chaotic in there, but that was super easy. You just did the order walking over, hit them here, and let me walk around the shop. So anyways, super easy. The only holdup may be if you order like a fountain drink or a coffee, is you do have to go over to the other counter and they'll kind of like prepare and serve that for you. So that could definitely take a little bit longer. But otherwise, super easy. My recommendation, especially if it was like a little bit busier or like more closer to dinner or lunchtime, it's kind of a weird time right now, like a little after 2, almost 3. Maybe just do the order like from your room and just hit I'm here and then give it a couple minutes and walk over, because I probably waited about 5 minutes or so in the gift shop after hitting I'm here, which is super quick, but it was like super dead. But it was really easy to just walk up. They have the whole area kind of set up differently, so there's a bunch of, it's like a big long table area, and you just walk up to whatever like kind of window they say to go up to. But that was, yeah, quick and easy. I liked it. Alright, so we found the friends. We're at Chef Art Smith's now, which is all of our first time. So far we've had the Hush Puppies, and then we also got drinks. But we are kind of by where they do their drinks and stuff, so I'm probably not gonna film a whole lot.